On August 21st, 1986, an entire region of Cameroon fell silent. No screams, no gunfire, no explosions, just death. 1,700 people died in minutes, along with 3,500 animals. But when rescue teams arrived at Lake Nyos, they found something impossible. Bodies everywhere, perfectly preserved, no wounds, no signs of struggle. Cattle still standing upright in fields, dead. Children asleep in their beds, dead. Families gathered around dinner tables, dead. The killer was invisible, odorless, silent. A massive cloud of carbon dioxide had erupted from the volcanic lake, racing down the mountainside at 60 miles per hour. It displaced every molecule of oxygen in its path. People simply stopped breathing. Most never even woke up. The few survivors described feeling dizzy, then nothing. Scientists call it a limnic eruption. Carbon dioxide had been building in the lake for centuries, until the pressure became too much. Today, pipes pump gas from the lake's depths, preventing another silent massacre, because Lake Nyos isn't the only killer lake in the world.